Channel Professional Primer. Imagine your CFO walks into your office tomorrow morning and says, "We just saved millions on our cloud bill." Sound too good to be true? Well, after May 29, 2025 ruling of Delhi High Court on AWS taxation, it might just be reality for thousands of Indian businesses. Welcome back to Professional Primer. I'm Prakash Pandya. And if you're a business leader, general counsel, or anyone dealing with cloud services and taxation, today's episode could literally save your company crores of rupees. On May 29, 2025, the Delhi High Court delivered a landmark judgment in Amazon Web Services versus Commissioner of Income Tax that has sent shockwaves through the digital economy. And here's the kicker. This ruling doesn't just affect AWS, it impacts every single business using cloud services in India. Before we dive in, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Because in the next 5 minutes you'll understand exactly why this ruling is a game changer. Let me paint you a picture. Your company pays AWS, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure for cloud services. Simple, right? Wrong. The tax department has been treating these payments as royalty or fees for technical services, which means withholding tax, complex compliance, and significantly higher costs. Think about it. Every time you paid for cloud storage, computing power, or standard cloud services, the tax authorities wanted their cut as if you were licensing some proprietary technology. This created a nightmare for businesses and turned simple cloud subscriptions into complex tax puzzles. But here's where it gets interesting. The Delhi High Court just said stop. They ruled that standard cloud services are not taxable as royalty or fees for technical services under the Income Tax Act, 1961, and the India-US Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement. Here's what this means in plain English. First, when you pay AWS for standard cloud services, you're not paying for proprietary technology or technical know-how. You're simply accessing computing resources. Second, the court distinguished between using someone's infrastructure versus licensing their intellectual property. Third, this applies retroactively, which means companies might be entitled to refunds on past withholding taxes. But wait, there's more. This precedent doesn't just apply to AWS, it covers Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, and virtually every major cloud service provider operating in India. Let's talk numbers. A typical mid-sized company spending 50 lakh rupees annually on cloud services could save anywhere from 5 rupees 10 lakhs in withholding taxes and compliance costs. For larger enterprises spending crores on cloud infrastructure, we're talking about savings that could fund entire digital transformation projects. This is massive for fintech companies running on cloud-native architectures, e-commerce platforms with heavy cloud computing needs, healthcare startups using AI and machine learning services, traditional businesses undergoing digital transformation. I've been advising clients on this exact issue for months, and yesterday's ruling validates what we've been arguing, that standard cloud services shouldn't be taxed like technology licensing deals. So what should you do right now? Action item number 1. Review all your cloud service contracts and identify potential tax savings opportunities. Action item number 2. Consult with your tax advisors about potential implications for ongoing assessments. But remember, this applies only to standard cloud services, not custom development or specialized technical services. Action item number 3. Update your procurement processes to leverage this clarification for future cloud contracts. Action item number 4. If you're in the middle of tax disputes related to cloud services, this judgment provides strong precedential support. Important caveats. First, this applies specifically to standard cloud services. Custom development, proprietary software licensing, or specialized technical services may still attract different tax treatment. Second, and this is crucial, the tax department may prefer an appeal to the Supreme Court. So while this is excellent precedent, keep monitoring developments. Don't make irreversible decisions based solely on this ruling until the appeal period expires or the matter reaches finality. Always consult your tax advisor for specific situations and stay updated on any appeals. This ruling represents a fundamental shift in how India treats digital economy taxation. It's recognition that cloud computing is infrastructure, not intellectual property licensing. Look, as someone who works with insolvency cases, I can tell you that cash flow matters. Every rupee saved on unnecessary taxes is a rupee available for growth, innovation, and building resilience. If this analysis helped you understand the implications, smash that like button and subscribe for more legal insights that actually impact your bottom line. Questions about this ruling? Drop them in the comments below, or reach out through our newsletter links in the description. Until next time, stay informed, stay ahead. This is Prakash Pandya from Professional Primer.